Hello friends, this is Viru Vikas Kumar Srivastav and I am going to tell you one trick about how to remember values of trigonometries. How to remember sine 30 values 1 by 2, how to remember sine 60 values root 3 by 2, how to remember sine cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So here is one simple trick, very easy trick you can be remember till your whole life. Okay, the trick is we have to use our left hand. See this diagram, we have to use our left hand, not like this, only in this way. We don't have to use our right hand either or this, we only have to use our left hand in this way. Okay, fine. So we have to treat this finger as 0 degree, this finger as 30 degree, this finger as 45 and this finger as 60 and this finger as 90 degree. Okay, so suppose trick is very easy. Suppose you have to get to know like how to find sine 60. So in this finger, where is 60 degree? We are looking for how to find sine 60. So this finger is 60. Okay, so hold the finger, see the left side, we have 3 fingers, okay, and right side we have 1 finger. So these 3 fingers will be helpful to find sine 60 degree value, and this 1 finger will be helpful how to find cos 60 degree value. Okay, how to? So very easy trick, take root of these 3 fingers, I mean 1, 2, 3, we got number 3, take root of 3, divide by 2. So root 3 by 2 will give you sine 60 value. Same time you can find out cos 60. Right side of this finger is only 1 finger. So take root of 1 is 1, divide by 2. So 1 by 2 will give you cos 60 value. So now trick is, this trick will, we have to do 2 things in the trick. First thing, we have to count left side finger values, take root, divide by 2. We have to find if we have to find out cos values, then count right side fingers and take root and divide by 2. For example, suppose we have to find out sine 45 values. So sine 45, so this finger is 45. Then if we are interested to find sine 45, left of this we have 2 fingers. So take root of 2. So root of 2 is root 2, divide by 2. So root 2 by 2 means sine 45, right? So come here at 45. So if you will be looking left side, we have 2 fingers. These 2 fingers will count. So this became they became 2. So left side will tell you sine values and right side will tell you cos values. Done. So 2. We got 2 fingers in the left side if we are looking for sine 45. So we got 2. So take root of the 2 and divide by 2. These 2 things we have to do extra, taking root and dividing by 2. That's all. This is only the trick. Suppose you have to find out cos 45. Cos 45, again come to 45 finger, come to right side, we have 2 fingers, so we got 2 fingers, take root and divide by 2. These 2 things are extra. Okay, so root 2 by 2. So root 2 by 2. This 2 I can write as root 2 by root 2 into root 2. 2 I can write as root into root 2, 1 will get cancelled, so 1 by root 2 is the answer for sine 45, and same here 1 by root 2 is the answer for cos 45. Similarly, suppose we have to find out value for sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree, it's very easy with the same trick. Come to this finger, come to left side, count how many fingers we are having, no fingers, 0 finger. Because we are looking for sine, that's why we are coming to left side. If we are looking for cos 0, then we will go to right side. We are looking for sine 0, so come to left side. Left side we don't have any fingers. So 0 fingers, take root, divide by 2, answer is 0. Root of 0 is 0, 0 by something is 0. Something means only 2. One more thing, 0 by 0 is not defined, okay? Extra knowledge. And if you are looking for cos 0 degree, then how to do? Come here again, see left right hand side. We have 4 fingers. So we got 4 fingers, take root, divide by 2. Done. So this is what? Root of 4 is 2. So 2 by 2. So 1. So sine 0 value is 0, but cos 0 value is 1. We can check for sine 90 and cos 90. It's again very easy. So sine 90 means we got sine 90. Now if you are looking for sine 90, come left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers we are having. So take root and divide by 2. These 2 things we have to do extra. So 2 by 2 is 1. And cos 90, come to right side. In right side we don't have any fingers. So 0 fingers, take root by 2. So root of 0 is 0. 0 by 2 is total 0. So this is how the trick. And subscribe my channel for more mathematics tricks, and subscribe my channel for more science and mathematics lectures. So I'm uploading all the lectures for IIT JEE mains and advanced, NEET exams, and GATE Aerospace. Thank you so much.